Okay, I'm out. Takes some effort to lift up this e-bike. I've been on this trail in a little while, a couple years maybe. It's usually a favorite of mine. It starts off with just a raucous descent, but I'm gonna go down and take a little drone footage, see what the flooding damage is. Think I got everything good to go. Better open it up from start. Then I'll pedal this e-bike out. I better make sure the motor is working. This would be no fun. No fun at all. Oh, we have a closed sign. We'll see about that. Obviously being used. All right, prepare to descend. Trail looks in good shape actually. Looks like some dirt bikes have been up or down it. Surprised it's so dry already. Tires almost look like trials bike tires. I want to get one of those. All right, here we go. I don't know if the dirt bike guys cleared this out or what, but there's some cut logs. The trail is perhaps the best I've ever seen it. For a while there it was getting kind of bad, but this is sweet. Look at that. Looks like someone was walking around here. Yeah, that looks like a trials bike. This is all going to be, a lot of it going to be brushed in here the next few weeks. Catching it just after, well, the snow's been off a little while here, but before everything really starts growing in on the trail. Oh yeah, look at these flowers. Kind of being conservative, by the way, on my speeds, because I don't know, I'm just not feeling it. I don't want to hurt myself. Off the grid here. Wow, this section might be hard riding up. Alright, here's some evidence there has been trail work this year, even though this trail is officially, I guess, closed. Alright, there's a good chance we'll see some wildlife in here. Ooh, the creek, I'm just thinking the creek crossings might be a little rough right now. It's coming up. Yeah, you would think with this much vertical descent, and it's a big descent. Was it like 4,000 feet? And you drop it in a hurry. You'd think it'd be a really fun downhill trail and you'd always come want to do this, but I don't know, there's something about it that just doesn't, a little bit too steep, it doesn't flow. It's still fun, but I don't know, I think going up it might actually be a little more preferable, especially with an e-bike. Yeah, there's been a lot of trail work done here. Best maintained closed trail I've ever been on. Maybe they're gonna open it to the public here. It's like there's a little blowout there. So what happened was about 3 months ago, middle of winter, we had this storm event that had the record flooding. Oh, that's flowing pretty good. And maybe didn't affect this creek as much as the river we're coming up to. So far it doesn't look like crazy damage on this creek. Why this trail's closed, I have no idea. It's the best shape, probably any trail around here. This section of the trail is pretty fun. Wow, there's some really good trail work that's been happening in here. Whoa! That was a, I'm sure you can't tell on the video, but that was a extreme water hole there. And you can tell the water was flowing down this. Yeah, there's a mudslide. So there's a burn up there. Several years ago there were some mudslides that covered this trail. That right there is definitely, I think, this year's washout. And no doubt the creek was running down this. Oh yeah. It washed out the trail right there pretty bad. Okay, it wasn't too bad hopping that creek. Yeah, this was a lot easier than I thought it'd be. Thought I might have full-on wet feet. Okay, we're coming up on section of trail that was closed before because of the rock slide, but this was from like 10 years ago, so that other stuff was new. Oh yeah, it slid again. This creek blew out. So there's somewhat of a trail that's newly forming here. Yeah, this would be a good trials bike or just dirt bike ride challenge through here now with this Erzberg section. Yeah, look at that. Some damage there. Wow, look at this, all through this forest here, it just fanned it out. Someone did a little rock stack, nice. All right, so there's gonna be some new trail formed here. Yeah, this will actually be a fun challenge through here. Getting down in here, the moose slash mountain lion zone. Deadly animals. Oh, here's another slide. Yeah, I get a few more motorbikes through here, kicking out these big boulders, and basically the trail is ready to go. There's a nice slump. This tree just fell down off the mountain. So far, all these ride-throughs are pretty much good to go. Ah, big tree across. Cool. It's a bridge. Now look at this. Another slump where these trees just slid right off the mountain. So I think this is going to add nice character to the trail. These sections here. I mean, the trail just literally slid off the mountain there. Ooh, ouch. Cut that one to the shin. This needs a little bit of tool work. I think what may have disappeared though is, wow, the damage here. Wonder how high up the water was. And the mountain's just falling apart down here. What? Thought this bridge was washed away. Do I trust it? No wonder the bikes have been up through there. Camp. GoPro, stop recording. All right, not the best spot to launch a drone. Okay.
0 feet altitude.
I'm gonna carry on like the Wright brothers. All right, here's the tricky part. Getting this thing down without crashing into the river. The beeping is the sensors recognizing there's a tree there. Got it. GoPro, stop recording. Brought this saw along, might as well do a little of the minor maintenance, save someone else some time, since they already cut through the bigger ones. Come on. I'm gonna slice myself up. Here's one of the first creek crossings I've come to, and it is totally just blown off the trail. Totally done. No wonder no one's riding up here. Looks like someone turned around their motorbike. That is a cool trials challenge right there though, hopping up through that. All right, I'm gonna go up just a little bit more. All right, I left my bike back there. Usually I don't do that, but I just wanted to scout up here a little bit. And another place where the trail was obliterated. Like, where is it? This creek just hammered it. They just completely divert in here. It's like coming over from the mountains there. Now, it changed the nature of this quite a bit. I have no idea where even the trail is. This trail is going to take ages. Is that it? I have no idea. The trail's disappeared completely.